What's up guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the font size in your Microsoft Edge browser. Go ahead and open up Microsoft Edge. So let me click on my Windows icon and I'm going to open up Edge. Right now, once you're inside the Edge browser, on the top right hand side click on the three dots. Then you want to go ahead and click on settings, and then on the left side where you have all these settings options, you want to click on appearance. Right now, on the appearance, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, all the way down, because the last section is about fonts. Right now, as you can see, there is a font size, right, and you also have custom fonts, right, but we're focusing on the font size. Now, by default, the recommended size is medium, as you can see here. But if you click on this drop down box here, you will see quite a lot more options. You have very small, medium, large, and very large. You want to keep note of this. It says your font preference may work only on some websites, right? So you want to keep that in mind. But you can go ahead and you can change to whatever you want. As you can see, when I click on something there, it basically changes the size, right? So here it is, the small, the very large, right? The very large, and the large, let's say, the small, the very small. And you can see there as it's showing you the preview what it looks like, right? Medium. And that's it, guys. That's all there is to it. You don't even have to click on save or anything. You just need to select the one that you want, and I would say you can start browsing. Now, if you're not able to see it right away, just simply go ahead and close out of Edge, right? Go ahead, open it again, and you will be able to see it effectively working as it should. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.